Good morning. How different to yesterday morning. Can't see a thing. And it's very windy and cold. Well, we shall see what today brings.
Urban textiles.
Yeah.
Spending money on the shop. Do you really want to go?
Nah, let's turn around and go back. Yeah. Heaven. Oh wow, that is amazing. I love that lossy mouth one. Oh, look at that!
Didn't expect that.
No.
It's coupled with a little bit of light.
Oh. Beautiful, pretty colourful. Oh, slippery.
Careful, please.
Yes. If I'm going to slip up, I will slip up. Oh yeah, it's a bit less slippery over here. Well, I've got to get across this water at the bottom. How do you manage that?
On the pebbles.
On the
rocks,
pebbles.
everyone should-
Your dog's had fun. Okay. Take a running jump. Trying to work this one out.
Jump, but you won't do that.
Either way, I'm going to break my neck, I think. Go on, you go down first. No, you can catch me. No, I'm not going to go on that. I'm going to break my neck. I'm tempted just to get my feet wet. I survived. On the little rocks. I don't know if I want to take my shoes. I wanted to walk barefoot in sand, but I don't know if I want to. But yeah, because it'll stick everywhere otherwise, isn't it? I don't know. It's beautiful. We've made it alive over those rocks. Oh, there's people doing metal detecting over there. You're right, there's a narrower bit up here. Be easier to step over. There we go, step over. Yeah. Oh, how do you like the walking on the beach?
It's lovely and refreshing.
Very lovely and refreshing. This breeze is definitely refreshing. Ah, I would write yours, but it's too long. Ah, I know. I can't balance. Hang on. There we go.
What is the game?
Shut up. Best I could do. Oh, he's fine, but he's well away now. Yes.
Oh, I wouldn't say no.
Maybe this is short.
This one, yeah.
1 second.
I get so worried about slipping. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you
No
so
problem.
much.
Right, your turn.
Thank you.
Wait, let me get one. Very, very careful. Come till here. Oh, okay. Being brave.
Oh yeah, I'm being brave. Don't rush me.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm up. Hey, I made it.
Get along now, okay?
We got some tickets. Oh! What did we do last day?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, that's it. Ah. 20 points. Was it less?
Less than last time.
Oh. And then you got some more tickets. That was quite fun. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. So, I'm 10 points short.
Who does 410? I don't get it.
I know, it's amazing if they can do that. No, you're done.
Right, let's go.
You catch your breath. Right, we are now leaving the arcades. Nothing to show for it other than a big smile on our faces and out of breath. There we are. Ah, beautiful. So his basketball antics, he's rather thirsty, needing a beer, so let's go. Boy, wow. Basketball is thirsty work. Stick to the coffee. I need my caffeine fix quite often. It's good though. Cheers. Ooh. Waiting for our food. Fish and chips.
Chips with
By the
salt and vinegar
seaside. And curry sauce.
and curry sauce and a beef fritter.
Oh, you got a beef fritter?
Yes.
Oh. Fair. Wait, see what it's like when it is.
So you come back on Monday? On Monday. And we get on really well. We have such a lot.
Let's dig in. Fish and chips in the sun. With this view. Beautiful. Oh, off to Quince Honey Farm. Round we go. Just take a little. All right, in my way. Is that honey peanut butter? Fucking. Yeah. So bees, little bee houses. I see everything down here is closed. Seed bar. Oh, the meadow trail's still open. Old tree. There's got to be something on that old tree.
How are you?
You're very welcome. Enjoy. Hope we can see you again.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? All
I'm
right?
very good. You alright?
Yeah, good, thank you. Please, can I also have 3
You are there.
chicken wings?
You can. I have to get some of that. But that is no
Mind yourself.
So much for a light dinner.